Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to use biometrics technology to check into class. On your left-hand side, you're going to click on Management and you'll click on Courses. Here you will see all the courses that you have access to. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the name of your course. Once you do that, you will see a list of scheduled attendances. There is one scheduled attendance for every day the class meets. Days in the future will say scheduled. Once class starts for today, it'll say active in blue. To take attendance for today, you will just click on today's session. This will show you a list of all the students who are in your course. Students will do to check into class is they will log into their CourseKey application, click on the app, and they will click the green check-in button. Once they click the green check-in button, their phone is going to either scan their face or their thumbprint and allow them to check into class. This uses the same technology as a banking app or another app that will verify using your phone's settings, the Face ID or the thumbprint scan to verify that you are the person who owns the phone. So if I click the green check-in button and click allow, it will scan my face and allow me to check in. The student can follow the same process for the checkout. Over on the faculty side, you will be able to view students checking in and out of class in real time. If I refresh my screen, I will be able to see that my test student here, Paul Smith, has successfully checked in. His status now says in, and he checked in at 10:55 a.m. Pacific. And this column here is going to show me how much time he has been checked in for. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.